Hi dear, I'm Nurse Sharifi, and today I am coming to reveal to you the 5 best exercises to improve erectile function both in the long and the short run. Please stay tuned. I will be right back. Welcome back. Today our first exercise we want to consider is testicular massage. We all know that the testicles of the men are located just at the spermatic cord, so you can do that by holding the testicle. You do that up and down, or you do that sideward for about 2 minutes. So use that tip of your fingers, so you make sure that it shouldn't hurt you. You're doing that because we know that testicles produce the male hormone, which is testosterone. Sometimes these hormones are produced and they get stuck in the testicle, so giving them a little bit of massage is going to enable proper vasodilation. What I meant is that proper blood flow to the penis, which will enable proper erection and then to fight against erectile dysfunctions. The second exercise is what we call Kegle exercise or Kegle exercise. So with Kegle exercise, we are looking at 2 muscles that are located at our genital area. So we're looking at the bobosponginosus, or also known as the bovocavinosus, that is located just at the base of the penis. Or we're also looking at the pelvic muscle that is called the ischio-cavinosus. So with these muscles are mostly helps in creating and maintaining erection. They help in ejaculation, they help in orgasm, and also the passage of urine. So imagine that these muscles are weak. That means that there's not going to be what we call proper erection. You are not going to ejaculate or ejaculate at all, and passing of urine is going to be a problem. So men, in order for you to know whether you have problem with these muscles that enable erection, so whenever you want to pee, make sure you clamp tight, then you hold it for about 5 minutes. So when you feel that you are spotting, then that means that the muscles are weak. So Kegel exercise, you can do that by lying down, then you contract the muscles. You can also do other exercise like abdominal exercise. You can consider exercise like walking. You can do cycling. Football is also one of the best exercise to improve your erectile function. You are doing this because exercise helps proper blood flow, blood circulation. Remember, in our previous video, our guest speaker did mention that erectile dysfunction occurs when we have restriction of blood flow to the penis. That's called erectile function. So after all this exercise, it's going to let the muscles that carry blood to the penile area relax, and there's going to be proper blood flow, so it's going to give you proper erections. The third exercise I want to talk about is penile pump. You use penile pump when you have erectile function. So with that is hydro pump that apply negative pressure. So you use that, you pump. It's chargeable for about 5 to 3 minutes. Then when you have your erection, then you maintain that. It is good for proper erection, and then a lot. So this leads us to our 4th point, which is intermittent fasting. So with that, you fast, let's say you eat around 9 o'clock, so till the next morning 9 o'clock, but between 6 o'clock to maybe 9 o'clock you can do water. That is going to aid proper erection. Leads us to our last point, which is sleeping exercise. So you make sure that you have proper sleeping at night. Let's say from you sleep at least 8 hours or 7 hours per day. So during at night, your cells, your tissues are there's proper repairing of our cells and tissue. So make sure that you sleep from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. There's proper circulation of blood, so which will help you have proper erections. And then from 2 2 a.m. to 6 p.m. Again, there is a proper flow of blood, so make sure that you sleep, have proper sleep at night, especially those men who do a lot of night shifts. If you're not able to have proper sleep, so when you come home, make sure that you can replace that by doing that in the daytime. If not, you are not having proper care to your sexual health, which is going to affect you both in the long and the short run. Thank you so much for listening. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe to help this channel grow. You know, this channel is too young. It is your like, your share, and your subscription that would help us move far. Thank you so much. Remember, I always love you. Stay blessed.